Hey guys, on today's episode of Nobody Watches My Videos, I go squirrel hunting. Deer season was officially over for me with the rifle, and I had a daughter begging for squirrel tacos. So while I was deer hunting, I documented where a bunch of big squirrels were. I got on them pretty quick, brought them home. A couple weeks later, made up the squirrel tacos for the daughter to get her off my back. Really good recipe. I hope you all enjoy. Thanks for watching. Y'all got me here? Let me talk to you for a minute. It is the day after normal rifle season here in Missouri. We have to leave town tomorrow for Thanksgiving, and we're gonna go up north, do a Christmas parade with Cass's dad, and go check out Carrollton. I needed to drop this deer carcass off to get it out of my truck, and I wanted to walk around and kill some squirrels because during deer season, I found a lot of them, and I documented where I was finding these big reds at. I am pretty freaking sure I won't see a single squirrel, but I'll probably see my target buck, just because that's the way this goes. We got orange on because it's still technically part of rifle season. Let's kill some squirrels. Doesn't freaking surprise me. There was like 100 squirrels right here when I was deer hunting. I don't see or hear a single one. Got him. There's a big buck standing there. You can't freaking make that up. Dang, it's a big one.
That's what she said.
That's a good one too. I think one more big one.
You are indeed brave tonight, but the fight is mine.
Oh, and enough, eh?
Another big gray. Squirrel tacos. I don't know what I got there, 5 or 6 of them anyway. Plenty to do what we want to do, so I'm gonna head to the house. It's still early. Get them cleaned up, get them in the freezer, and we'll see you back at the house. Squirrel. So put just enough broth in to cover up the meat. You want to add 1 packet of taco seasoning, a cut up onion, kind of bigger pieces, and a cut up green pepper. Mix all that up a little bit, and you're gonna let her cook. Once the meat starts coming off the bone, you're ready to go to step 2. It's already smelling good. See you in a few hours. So when it gets to where you can pick parts of the meat off, that's when they're ready. Take your squirrels out, let them cool off somewhere for a minute. You're gonna take this contraption and you're gonna dump it. Dump it. Get it out of there. Add like a half cup of water. You just wanna keep your meat moist.
I'm not kidding.
Add another packet of tire.
Is that its butt and tail?
And then open up a can of Rotel. This is the Aldi brand because of inflation. We used to get name brand Rotel, but now we can't afford it.
First things first.
You're gonna want to take that lid out, dump your Rotel into the pot, and now all you gotta do is take your squeals, pull them apart, see how the meat's coming right off the bone, and then put that meat back in the pot. After you return everything, just let it go for, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes or so. And then you're gonna wanna scoop it out, let it drain. Tortilla. Put her on there just like that. Little salsa.
Chunky salsa.
One of these.
Cute!
Mmm.
Stop.
Okay, I'll make you one. Thanks for watching the video. Squirrel Doctor.